Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video inside of a text on CapCut PC. It is actually super simple. So you're just going to select a background for the video that's going to be inside of your text first. Then go to text and add in your default text. Now this is what you can do depending on the color of the background you want. If you want a black background, select a white text, and vice versa. And I'm just going to change the font first. So let's just select a font. Where is the font that I use all the time? Hold on. This one. And I'm just going to I'm just going to type in waves and adjust the font size a little bit, like so. Then I'm going to go to media, I'm going to go to library, I'm going to add in a black background, and I'm going to add it behind the text. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and select the brighten. The darken blend mode. And if your background is white, you can choose the brighten or screen blend mode. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!